Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to do some Euclidean geometry. Please just check my shorts that I did 3 weeks ago, talking about Euclidean geometry. We're going to do question 8. It is of November 2020. So those shorts that I've recorded, although they have music in it, they will really assist a lot when it comes, to this topic of geometry. So please check it out, learn something there. I'm telling you, all the questions that you will come into contact with, you will not have a problem. So we're going to do question 8.1. Question 8.1.1 and 8.1.2. It goes as follows. It says O is a point, is a center of the circle. Is the center of the circle. This is our center there. Guys, it is very important. Before that you can answer any questions, please mark everything that the statement is talking about. By the time you finish marking, you'll be able to have an answer immediately, I'm telling you. So our O is the center of the circle. There it is, and it says K O M bisects LN. There it is. You can see that because it bisects LN, then our LM and MN are equal. Bisects basically mean it cuts or divides that line into two equal sizes. We can bisect the angle, which basically means the angle will be divided into two equal parts. So, and it further says angle M and O. M and O, this one is 26 degrees. It is given. K and P are points on the circle with angle N KP and KP, this one 32 degrees. OP is drawn. So we know, guys, if there's a line that comes from the center of the angle to the circumference, that line, it is known as the radii. So we have the radii here, OP. We have the radii here, OK, and the radii here, ON. All these radii, they are equal in sizes. all of them, they are equal in sizes. So you take the information from the statement and you plot it. You plot everything that you can come up with from the statement. Like in this case, our M2 is going to be 90 degrees. Why? Because it was said KOM bisect the chord LN into two equal parts. So because the line is from the center, where it bisects the chord, it will then be perpendicular and form an angle 90 degrees. So even MN will also be 90 degrees. Those are the sum of the angles in a straight line. I haven't even started to answer the questions, but I go through the statement and exhaust whichever point I can, come up with. As you look at inside there, we said that the OK is equal to ON. Those are the radius. Then this angle here will give us, they will be equal with this one. Why? Because if we remember isosceles triangle, the opposite sides are equal, the angles will be equal. With that, we will be able to go forward and answer these questions. So let's start with 8.1. Question 8.1.1 A, it says determine with given reasons the size of O2. This one. What would be the size of O2? According to me, the size of angle O2 will be equals to 2 times K1, angle K1. The reason being that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Therefore, our answer is going to be 2 times 32 degrees, which will happen to be 64 degrees. So that will be our answer for A. As you can see, it's just only 2 marks. So here we'll have what? 64 degrees. And it says B. We must, with reasons of course, the size of angle 01. This one here. what will be the value of 0, 1? That is simple, because now what we will do, we'll say, we'll start here. We know here M2 is 90 degrees. M2, angle M2 is 90 degrees. The reason is that OM bisects chord LM. Therefore, angle O3 is going to be 180 degrees minus N, which is 26 degrees, minus 90 degrees, which is M2. The reason being, it is sum of angles in a triangle. Just 3. They are in a triangle. Some of them will give you this. Then at the end of the day, we have 180 degrees minus 26 minus 90, which will then give us, let's work it out, 180 degrees minus 26 minus 90 will give us 64 degrees. Then we go to what you call okay, this one is 64 degrees, right? Wow. And then I think I was in a hurry. Then our angle O1 is going to be 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus O3, which is 64 degrees, minus angle O2, which is also 64 degrees. Then O1 will then give us, let's work it out, 180 degrees minus 64 minus 64. It's gonna give us 52 degrees. Hence the answer cost us 4 marks. Okay. Let's go to 8.1.2, which says we must prove, given reasons, that Kn bisects angle OKP. It bisects, meaning that it divides in half that angle. So we must prove that K2 in this case is how much? 32 degrees. That we must prove. So already we know that angle O1 plus O2 is equals to 52 plus 64. Okay, 52 plus 64 will give us 116 degrees. Okay, now K2 is equals to angle ONK. O and K. The reason being that ON is equals to OK. They are both radii. So if opposite sides are equal, then the angles will therefore be equal. Remember the isosceles triangle. So in this case, angle KON plus K2 I would say in this case twice of K2, because K2 is equals to N. Will all in all give us 180 degrees. Okay, being that it is a sum of angles in a triangle. With that in mind, KON, which is angle O1 plus O2, is 116 plus 2K2 is equals to 180 degrees. We are now simplifying. At the end of the day, 2K is going to be 180 degrees minus 116. Therefore, K2 is going to give us 180 minus 116, 64 divided by 2, which will then give us 32 degrees. Therefore, we have proven that Kn by set OKP, because K2 and K1 are both equal 32 degrees. So thank you for watching my channel. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, to comment in my channel. We will do more of this geometry going forward, but please don't forget to watch my videos, the shorts that I've made 4 weeks ago. Just go through it. I'm telling you, you won't go wrong. You'll be able to can solve such a geometry. Until we meet again in the next video, where I'll continue to do the geometry. Thank you guys. Bye.